Greetings, fellow artists, from the Swanee River Studio, an art co-op formed about a year ago from 800 souls, surrounded by a beautiful and dangerous jungle in north central Florida. The plus side of this situation for artists is that our surroundings are wild and beautiful. This is Swanee River Sunrise, painted on a tabletop I saved from the dumpster. The minus side of this is that we're poor, rural, and isolated. But if we can travel about an hour in any given direction, we can enjoy the benefits of civilization, like stores and restaurants and other artists. I am Jay, and I started the studio. Here's my self-portrait and coffee. I was cleaning up a coffee spill, and I wondered if coffee would work as watercolor. It does. We've come a long way in a year. Here's a magazine article about us. Members work hard and have made great progress in a year. We've had art shows, art parties, and we collaborate with the library, as in this mural for the kids section. We meet weekly for an art workshop. The remainder of this brief history is speeded up demonstrations. I hope you enjoy and have a great week.